Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be focusing more on 2x2 matrix and I'll teach you how to solve it step by step. Step 1, we need to get the characteristic equation, which is the determinant of A minus lambda I. So this is the characteristic equation. And this should be applied sa given question, a 2x2 matrix. In order to get the eigenvalue, we will take A minus lambda I is equal to 4 minus lambda. Then just bring down the 3 and bring up the 2 and 1 minus lambda. And what's next? Check the equation again. So itong A, that will represent as 4 minus lambda as well as 1 minus lambda minus the two numbers na walang lambda sign, which is 3 and 2. So yun, just use the FOIL method in order to get this. So this is 4 negative 4 lambda. 1 is equal to negative lambda squared. Para di kayo malito, sundin natin ang standard form ng quadratic equation. So unahin muna natin itong lambda squared for lambda and y lambda. So that will give us the answer of negative 5 lambda, or isusubtract natin sa 3 and 2. So multiply natin tong 3 and 2. This is 6. Good. So 4 minus 6 is equal to negative 2. So ito po ang gagamitin natin in order to get the equation of eigenvalue. So ayun, malapit na natin makuha yung eigenvalue. In order to get this, we can just use the quadratic equation. So, paano nga ba yung formula ulit nun? Balik-aral tayo. So, the quadratic formula for this is negative b plus and minus with the square root of v squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So, this will be applied here. Para di kayo mahirapan, substitute natin to. So, itong negative b, that will be 5 plus and minus b squared. So, that is 5 squared minus 4. Ano yung a? That is 1, then itong c, that is negative 2, over 2, 1. Kunin natin to dito sa loob ng radical sign. 5 squared is 25, minus 4 times 1 times negative 2, so this is plus 8, over 2. We will just add the value sa loob ng radical sign, which is 33. Kaya the final answer for the eigenvalue is, it's equal to 5 plus and minus the square root of 33 over 2. This is the final answer. I hope you learned something new. It's me, Bernardo Escorial. Stacker out.